Hi guys, to receive this socket ceiling fan light for event purposes, it can use a control. It has 4 different speeds, it's dimmable, and it has safety and it's noiseless, which is really nice. So I've said it's socket, so you can put it on the socket of any regular light bulb. So let's take everything out. Okay. This is the proper light. And this is a socket that comes included with your fan. Okay. You also get, as I said, the controller, the details of the controller, some batteries, an extension for the socket, and this goes in here so it stays on place. Okay, let's place it right now. Now it's secure. I'm gonna use the adapter to make it longer, and I'm gonna put this one in here. Okay, and also I'm gonna place the batteries. It uses AAA battery as a controller, and it's really simple, which is something that I quite like. Okay guys, as you can see, I've already put it up on my ceiling, and you can change the temperature quickly with this button, or choose to dim it, this one, change it this other one. You can see it's very bright. You can select to turn off the lights independently, or choose the 4 different speeds of the fan. It's very powerful, I must say. It's in the first one, and I'm gonna press the 4th one. And it's really potent, which is really nice. And I like a lot that you can turn everything off with one click with the button, and independently turn one thing on and off. So it's really nice, and I would recommend it. See ya.